A screeching monster circled a dying emperor's palace. In feudal Japan, they called it ITSUMADE. It only appeared at night, hovering above homes where someone lay dying. It had a human face, a bird's wings, and a serpent's tail. Its cry sounded almost like words. Until when? Until when? Some claimed it was counting down the hours until death arrived. Villagers boarded their windows, afraid to meet its eyes. Priests wrote it off as a bad omen, nothing more. But witnesses insisted the cry got louder the closer death came. No one has explained why it chooses certain houses. Some still swear they hear it whispering outside windows tonight.